Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about 5 different DePIN projects that you can utilize in order to make money. But this is not a financial advice, and this video is not even intended to give you any financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes. You can utilize this information according to your advantage and as per your needs and requirements. And not just 5 DePIN projects, but we will also discuss a bonus DePIN project at the end of this video. And I am quite sure that whenever these kind of projects actually come into the execution mode and actually come into the existence, our human civilization is going to change forever after that. You will know exactly why I'm saying this when we discuss that particular project. So let's get into the video without wasting any of your time. So the first project is Natix Network, and here all you have to do is just download the application of Natix on your either iOS device or Android device, and after that you can get into it and start earning crypto. You will be basically mining crypto for giving out some information. This company was started as a competition against the Google Maps, the monopoly of Google Maps, but the irony is that today the partners involve Google in it. But you can see that there are some really big names in the partners. Demo is also there, Nvidia is there, Amazon is there, Peak is another great DePIN project that recently made the pre-sale for its tokens, and Solana is also there. The token of Natix will be launching on Solana in near future to be precise. And just simply download the application, set up the application, and you would just have to drive your car and use it while driving, so you can earn crypto even while you are driving. You can put it in the dash cam and the application will do everything on its own after that. It can be a great way to make money for someone who actually drives on daily basis to office or some other place where they head to. So this is a great way to generate extra money while you are on the go. And also you get different features on this particular application, and here you get the option to even turn off the dash cam, or you can also turn off the display if you want to. But there are different ways to make money, and depending on the quality of data that you will be providing, you would be getting more money according to it, and if your quality is good. And the system of AI associated with this particular application makes sure that any kind of personal information of yours is filtered away while giving out your data from your device. So your personal information will never be able to reach out to the systems that is holding the data from different people like you in the servers, because this data is given out in the text format and not in the visual format. And I'm not sure, but they are claiming it that sensitive data is not given to them and it is filtered out. They are just saying it out like the Google said, but we all know where our data went. Now let's see how this works. You just have to turn on the device on your mobile, and after that you can simply collect the data. Then this data will be validated in that particular system, and if the data quality is good, it will be monetized in a market, and the demand is already there for it. And this way the incentives will be shared with you as well, because you are the one who is giving out that data. Now let's move on to our another application. If you are not into Natix, then you can go with the Mapmetrics. It is similar to the Natix, and this also involves downloading application on your mobile device, either on iOS or Android, and you can earn the crypto while you are walking or driving. So this is a great way for all the people out there who go for running or driving or long drives or vacations. You can make money even when you are on a vacation and driving. So these are some 2 great ways to make money while driving. Now let's move on to another one, and it is Silencio. In this also it is absolutely free. You just have to download the application on your iOS or Android version of your mobile, and after that you can start recording noise levels around you, and you would be earning points for recording those noise levels. Now you would be asking why someone would pay you for recording the noise levels around you. Well, they are creating a noise level map around the world, so they can sell this particular data to all the businesses out there. So according to the data, a good amount of people would be deaf in future due to the noise levels and noise pollution, and businesses would want to open up their businesses or the places where they operate at relatively peaceful places. That's why they would be requiring this data. Suppose someone wants to open up a library. Now if someone has this particular data available with them, then they would obviously be using this particular data, and all the people who are going to give out this information would be incentivized. This is the whole point of this Web3 and the decentralization. In it, you will be part of the incentives that you were not earlier, and it is all possible because of the blockchain technology. We will talk about it in some other video. If you want to, just comment down below. Also comment down below the favorite projects that you like in this particular video, so we can create a dedicated video on that particular application for you to understand it even in a better way. By the way, there is an airdrop for Silencio in future. You can sign up to Silencio, use my code Sunny007. I will be providing the exact code. I don't even remember my exact referral code, so I will provide that, and using that you can also sign up and start earning the points. So whenever the coin goes live, you would be making money. Like the Notcoin, no one expected Notcoin to get listed on the Binance, and people got as much as $6,000 for just tapping on a particular application, and they made money out of it. So this is a great way. You are giving out data here, so it is way valuable than the tappings on the phone. So let's see how it all turns out, and the airdrop points will be additional bonus to you other than the points that you will be earning. So let's move on to the next application, and it is WeatherXM. So in this, you will have to provide the weather report around you, and you would be getting incentives for it. You will have to buy the station and install it. Obviously your phone is not capable enough to identify the weather around it. That's why it requires you to install a station, and all the data that your station will be sending up would be making you some money. And the token of this project is listed on 3 different centralized exchanges, and as well as one decentralized exchange, which is Uniswap. So it is already listed, and you can earn the crypto and sell it if you want to, in order to make money right away. The ticker for this token is WXM. You can check it out on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap in case if you want to know more about it. You can purchase the stations right now. You will be getting 5% off on WS2000, and it is backed by Helium. By the way, it is on the Helium network, this particular one, and they have created the tokenomics in such a way that it is beneficial for all the stakeholders in this particular ecosystem. So you would be giving the data, you would be getting incentives for it in the market, and the market will be selling it up to the enterprises, and the enterprises will be utilizing this particular data in order to do their operations in a better way and efficient way, because climate change is going to be a big problem in future, and we are all aware about it. So this way, this is going to be a great tool in future, and all these DePIN projects will be playing a good role in the upcoming ecosystem. So this way you would be making money, and not just you, but all the other stakeholders in this particular ecosystem will also be making money. And if you want to purchase any of these stations, then 2 of them are available right now. One is for $400, the other one is for $380. So you can go for them if you want to. Just make sure that you research about them. The ROI should also be researched well in advance before you purchase them, because this is going to be a great decision changer for you. In case if the ROI is more than 12 months or maybe more than that, then there's no point of purchasing them. Otherwise, a great amount of changes can occur in 12 months, and we all know how unpredictable crypto is. So make sure that you do your own research before getting into it. Now moving on to our next project, it is Wingbits, and it is in the beta mode currently, so you can still join it up in the early phase. You can register for a free account, and you will have to set up a particular antenna, and this way you can connect your antenna with your account on Wingbits, and after that all the air traffic will be tracked from your place, and this way you would be getting incentives for it. So this is the whole point of these DePIN projects. You might be getting this pattern, like you have to install something, you have to give some data in order to make the incentives. Earlier these big companies used to steal your data, take all the benefits by themselves. But now time is changing and you would be getting part of the incentives according to the data that you will be providing or the role that you will be playing in these ecosystems. So just add your antenna over here and you will be shown online when your antenna is actually tracking the air activity around your area. So you would be getting benefits for it. Now moving on to the last project and the bonus project and the most mind-blowing project of this series is this one. It is called as Xmaquina. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it is a great project, and this is such a great way to make money and make money passively in future. So what you have to do is just you have to purchase the tokens of robots that are working in different industries, and you would be owning these robots, a part of it, and the income that these robots will be making, you would be getting a part of that income. So basically robots are working for you and you are getting the income on monthly or weekly basis, whatever basis that you are going to decide or the project going to decide in the future. This is still in the very early phase, so you can join the whitelist and get your name into it. So in future, when you are actually buying the tokens of a particular robot, you would be earning a part of their earnings. This is so great, and it is only possible because of blockchain technology. Earlier was the age of digitalization. Now is the age of tokenization. Due to tokenization, the actual owners of robots will be tokenizing their robots. So even the person who is not owning that particular robot will be able to purchase a token of it in order to be owner of that robot in parts or whole, according to the number of tokens that particular person that will be owning. So the earnings will also go proportionately, and this way the more tokens that you will own for different kind of robots, the more earnings you will be getting on monthly basis passively. It's all up to you how you want to strategize. Suppose you are someone who feels like robots will be making a good amount of money in the cafes, then the robot working on agriculture field, then you might want to invest onto the robots that are working in cafes, and this way you can strategize accordingly and make money out of robots. This project has surely blown my mind, and I don't know about you whether it has or not. You can tell that in the comments. Well, I hope this video was helpful in understanding the DePIN projects around us at present and the one in the future as well. So if you want to see more such videos related to crypto fundamentals, crypto airdrops and crypto tutorials and everything crypto, then hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you in the next video.